Lou, my name is Dennis Merson. I live in Metuchen, New Jersey, and I have a problem with deer. We have deer that go through our property every day in the morning and the evening, maybe 5 up to 10 deer that go through, and not only destroy the flower beds and things, but they're also destroying the lawn. What can we do?
All right, Dennis, I've got some options for you when it comes to controlling your Bambi problem. Scoot and Repelzol. These are products that you can either sprinkle. This is a shake that you can put around the vegetation. And then these sprays you can actually spray on the plants. But if you want to use a different kind of spray, this is a product called Spray Away. It's a motion-activated sprinkler system that you stick in the ground, you put the garden hose on there and turn it on. When the deer approaches, it will blast them with water and scare the living daylights out of them. They'll probably come back a little bit later on. They'll get whacked again with the water. After a couple times, they won't be coming back. And you solve the problem humanely.
Hi, Lou. This is Roberta and Daisy May from Highland Park. We have a house that dates from about 1910, 1914, and we're looking to renovate both bathrooms one at a time, and we want to do something that's in keeping with the age of the house. What would you recommend?
Hi, you two. All right, now I know you said you wanted to keep the theme of that 1910 era home, but I will offer you this. It's okay to change that look a little bit with a bathroom and even a kitchen because those rooms are contained. However, if you really do want to stick with that, say use a clawfoot tub or some tile that has that vintage look, all of that is available. You may not find it at the big box stores. I think it's important to possibly work with a designer because they have access to different channels of products that will keep with that theme that you're looking for. There are brand new sinks that look like they were created in 1910. So you have all of that look and design, but with modern conveniences of today. Work with a designer so you'll get the bathroom that you really want.
Hi Lou, how are you? My name's Doug from Colts Neck, and I was wondering, I have 2 heating and air conditioning zones in my house, and I was wondering if there was a way to regulate by room as opposed to just the 2 zones.
Doug, you absolutely can do it, but I'll tell you this, it costs a fortune, and you needed to do it while you were setting up the system. It takes some additional ductwork and what they call zone dampers in each one of the individual rooms. Then a sensor is placed on the wall, and it monitors that temperature in that specific room. There was a company years ago called Unico that did this, and it was one of the first out there, and now there's definitely more manufacturers of that. Another option, if there's one room that you really want to control specifically, is you could add a supplemental heating and cooling system with its own thermostat. They're called ductless systems, and it's essentially a cartridge that goes on the wall, and you can provide heating and cooling to that specific room that you could retrofit with what you have right now.